Hi, this is Shubhro here from TechTorial. Today I will show you how to use concatenate function in Microsoft Excel. So concatenate is a function through that we can merge or we can use two separate columns into one single column. That is, for example, if you have one first name and one last name, so we can use that function to generate a full name. Okay, generate a full name. So I will show you today how to use that. So you are watching a Microsoft Excel document where there is first name and there is last name, and there is a column called full name. Okay, so how to merge those first name and last name columns and make full name. So how to do that? Right there, go to your concave CONCAS, that's the function concatenate. So if I want to put the last name in the first option, so for the full name, put that one, comma, next I will put the separator, I will put a space so that there will be a space, then close the marks, and there will be the first name. So that's how. Yes, there you will see full name are there, full names are there. So if we want to do in a different way, like use the function concatenate, use the first name, comma, use a space, then comma, use the last name, and close the function. Yes, both ways we can generate the full names. So that's how we can use the concatenate function. Now you can say one more thing, that if you want to add something with that one, you can use that, like add some words or add some numbers with that one, like for that one, like 0 1 0 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So if you want to add the number with the names, like concatenate, add the first name, comma, there's a separator. If you want to use that function, you can use different characters with that. So I'm using the underscore, name Paul underscore, in use underscore, then the number, sorry, then the number, and close that. So yes, they will see the number is added with that. So you can use that in different ways, the way you want it. That's how you can use the concatenate function to generate full names, full forms of different things. I am showing that with the first name and last name. You can use that for your different functions. So if you have any queries about that function in Microsoft Excel, please do write in the comment section and I will get back to you soon. Thanks for watching